In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a collection in Leonardo AI, step by step, so you can organize your images more easily and keep your creative projects neat and accessible. This is a super useful feature if you generate a lot of images and want to group them together for future reference, client work, or content planning. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the Leonardo AI homepage. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the sidebar on the left-hand side. From there, click on Library. This is where Leonardo AI stores your saved content, generated images, and organizational tools. After you open Library, you'll see several tabs at the top or within that section, and you want to select the Collections tab. The Collections area is where you can group images into custom folders or sets based on your projects, themes, or ideas. Now that you're in the Collections tab, look for the option that says Create a Collection. Click on that to start making a new collection. A small window or panel should appear asking you to set it up. At this point, enter a title for your collection. Try to choose a clear name that tells you what the collection is about, like product mockups, fantasy art, logo ideas, or social media concepts. That way, it will be much easier to find later. Once you've entered the title, press Create and Add Images. This step creates the collection and immediately lets you start filling it with the images you want to organize. Next, you'll see your available images. Select the ones you want to add to the collection by clicking on them. You can usually pick multiple images at once, so take your time and choose the ones that match the theme of your collection. After you've selected the images, confirm your choice to add them into the collection. Leonardo AI will then save everything together in one place, making it much easier to revisit, edit, or share later. And that's it. You've now created a collection in Leonardo AI and added your images to it. This is a simple but powerful way to stay organized and speed up your workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.